If you've ever walked into an apartment and felt like the sun just doesn't reach you, you're not alone. And here's the good news. You don't need a bigger window or a new apartment to fix it. Today, 5 simple tricks that can make a genuinely dark room feel 2 shades brighter, plus one more involved solution for anyone who wants a permanent fix. Whether you're buying your first place or just signing another lease, apartment hunting is basically a game of compromises. Maybe the location's perfect, but the kitchen's tiny. Maybe the price is right, but there's no parking. And one compromise that quietly slips through the cracks more than almost any other? Natural light. It's not just about aesthetics either. Low light exposure has been linked to worse sleep and mood, which is exactly why it. Trick number 1. Rethink your rug. A heavy dark-toned rug might look cozy in photos, but in a room that's already short on light, it acts like a sponge, soaking up whatever brightness you do have. Swap it for something in a light, even vibrant shade, and the floor stops being the darkest part of the room and starts bouncing light back up into the space instead. Think soft creams, pale blues, or a punchy patterned rug in light tones. It instantly lifts the whole room. Trick number 2. Get over your mirror phobia. A lot of people avoid big mirrors. They feel like a design risk or they're worried it'll look too extra. But here's the thing. A large mirror placed across from a window can genuinely double the amount of light bouncing around a room. It's one of the cheapest, fastest upgrades you can make, and it works in literally every style of home, from minimalist to maximalist. If you only do one thing on this list, this might be the one. Trick 3. Bring in some shine. Metallic surfaces, think brass lamp bases, chrome hardware, glossy tile, even a gold-rimmed mirror or picture frame, reflect light instead of absorbing it, the same way a matte black finish would. In a dark room, even small metallic accents scattered around can add up to a noticeably brighter feel, without you touching a single wall or window. The 4th trick is almost embarrassingly simple. Clean your windows. It sounds obvious, but dust and grime build up on glass faster than you might think, and that thin layer silently blocks a surprising amount of light before it even reaches your room. So whatever windows you have, clean them all. It costs next to nothing, takes 10 minutes, and is the easiest refreshment on this list. And finally, trick 5, watch where you put your bookshelf. If you can, try to position tall furniture, bookshelves especially, perpendicular to your windows rather than directly in front of them. That way they're not standing like a wall between you and your only light source. It's a small layout tweak, but in a naturally dark room, furniture placement can make almost as much difference as the light itself. Now, if you've tried everything on this list and you're still craving actual sunlight, not just reflected light, there's one more option. And it's a bit more of an investment. A sun tunnel. It's a small dome on your roof connected to a reflective tube that channels real daylight straight down into a room, even one with no windows at all. It's genuinely how a lot of windowless bathrooms, hallways, and closets get natural light in homes across Europe. It does mean drilling into your roof, so it's not a renter's fix, but if you own your place and you're serious about solving the problem for good, it's worth looking into. So to recap, light rugs over dark ones. Don't be afraid of a big mirror. Bring in some shine with metallic accents. Keep your windows spotless. Think twice about where you put that bookshelf. And if you own your place and want a permanent fix, a sun tunnel is worth researching. Most of these require zero renovation, a new apartment, or even a big budget, just a few smart swaps. I've linked every single product from this video down in the description, from the exact rug to the mirror to the sun tunnel kit. So if any of these caught your eye, that's the fastest way to go grab it. If this helped, hit subscribe for more ideas like this. See you in the next one.